Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Alcohol Proof Tester is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who enjoys crafting their own spirits or wants to ensure the accuracy of their homemade beverages, providing a precise measurement of alcohol content crucial for consistency, safety, and legal compliance, ultimately empowering you to perfect your recipes and share your creations with confidence. Number 5. Weewooday 3-Piece High-Accuracy Hydrometer Alcohol Tester. Introducing our 3-piece hydrometer set, designed for precise alcohol content measurement. It's perfect for testing high-proof spirits and home distilling projects. This tool features a 0-200 proof and trolley scale, making it ideal for a wide range of high-alcohol beverages. Accurately measure your moonshine, whiskey, and other distilled creations. Crafted from quality materials, it ensures accurate readings for alcohol-based liquids. Please note, it's designed for spirits without high sugar concentrations like rum or liqueurs. You'll receive 3 accurate hydrometers, providing enough for your needs. This set offers convenience and ensures you always have a reliable tool on hand. Easily calculate the alcohol percentage with this useful device. The clear gradient ribbon helps you track your brewing progress with great accuracy. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is an excellent choice for any homebrewing enthusiast. Give the gift of accurate and quality brewing tools. What we like. This set offers a wide 0-200 proof range, perfect for serious home distillers. You get 3 hydrometers, ensuring you always have a backup or can test multiple batches. If you're looking for a comprehensive and value-packed option for high-proof spirits, this is a great choice. What people say. The device is very easy to use, with a simple one-button operation. It provides accurate readings within seconds, allowing for quick checks. The compact and portable design makes it convenient to carry around. Number 4. Kanayu 2PCS Alcohol Hydrometer. This set includes 2 hydrometers, designed to accurately measure alcohol content. They are practical and convenient for your daily needs. Using this tool is incredibly easy. Simply float it in your distilled spirits to get a reading, saving you time and effort. This device is specifically designed for measuring alcohol in hard liquors. Please note it may not be accurate for beverages with high sugar content or low alcohol levels like beer or wine. Each hydrometer comes in a protective hard plastic case. This ensures safety during shipping and makes daily storage simple, reducing the risk of damage. This alcohol testing device makes a thoughtful gift for yourself or anyone passionate about homemade beverages. Ensure your loved ones have accurate and quality brewing tools. What we like. This option provides 2 hydrometers, offering a good balance of quantity and convenience. The included hard plastic case is a standout feature, protecting your tools during transport and storage. If you value portability and protection for your hydrometer, this is the one for you. What people say. This breathalyzer is very accurate and easy to use. The digital display is clear and easy to read. It comes with a carrying case, which is convenient for travel. Number 3. FastRack Alcohol Hydrometer. This hydrometer features 2 scales for comprehensive alcohol measurement. It includes a 0-200 proof scale for spirit proof and a 0-100 trolley scale for alcohol by volume. Easily test the alcohol content of various distilled beverages like liquor, moonshine, or corn whiskey. It's perfect for calculating the proof in high alcohol content drinks. Achieve precise and simple measurements to guide your brewing process. Use it to test spirits, make moonshine, or measure high alcohol liquors and distillates. Manufactured in the USA, this hydrometer ensures durability and consistent quality. We are confident you will have a great experience using it. This tool is designed for precise alcohol measurement, offering both proof and ABV scales. It simplifies the process of testing your distilled beverages. What we like. This hydrometer boasts a dual scale for versatile measurement and is manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. The easy-to-read scale simplifies the brewing process. If you prioritize American-made quality and straightforward, accurate readings for your spirits, this is an excellent selection. What people say. Easy to use and read. Compact and portable design. Provides accurate readings quickly. Number 2. Brewing America Hydrometer Alcohol Meter Test Kit. Introducing the Brewing America Hydrometer Alcohol Meter Test Kit, your ultimate tool for accurate alcohol content measurement. This high-quality, American-made set ensures reliable results for all your distilling needs. Our kit features NST traceable calibration, meeting or exceeding the highest industry standards. You can trust its precision for everything from spirits to infusions. Whether you're proofing moonshine, aging whiskey, or creating tinctures, this hydrometer is designed for your home distilling success. It accurately measures alcohol content in various high-proof beverages. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the alcohol meter, a borosilicate glass test jar, a specialized bottle brush, storage tube, and a helpful instruction guide with a conversion chart. The included test jar is crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, built to withstand temperature variations during your ABV tests. It also comes with a protective bumper guard and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. Crafted with skilled American labor and premium materials, this hydrometer is built to last. Take good care of this high-quality equipment, and it will help you achieve your best batches yet. What we like. This is a high-quality, American-made kit that includes a NST traceable hydrometer and a borosilicate glass test jar. It provides everything you need for accurate alcohol content measurement right out of the box. If you demand precision, traceability, and a complete, high-quality setup for your distilling needs, this kit is ideal. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. It has a clear digital display that is easy to read. The compact design makes it convenient to carry around. Number 1. Brewing America Pro Series Hydrometer. Introducing the Pro Series Hydrometer, meticulously crafted in the USA. It's NST traceable, ensuring accuracy that meets the highest standards. This tool is designed for a wide range of applications, from moonshine and corn whiskey to tinctures and infusions. It accurately measures alcohol content from 0 to 200 proof. For home distillers, this is an indispensable tool. Easily gauge your grain liquor's proof measurement by floating it in your still parrot or a sample. This alcohol meter comes with a detailed instruction sheet and a temperature conversion chart, making it a must-have for your homebrewing testing needs. While made with high-quality materials and skilled labor, remember it's a glass instrument. Treat it with care, and it will help you achieve your best distillations. For optimal performance, ensure your liquid is distilled and free of sugar. You can verify its accuracy with distilled water at 60 degrees. Happy proofing. What we like. This American-made hydrometer is NST traceable, offering a high standard of accuracy for your distilled spirits. It's designed for serious distillers who need reliable measurements. If you are looking for a professional-grade, American-made tool for precise alcohol proofing, this is a top-tier choice. What people say. The breathalyzer is accurate and easy to use. It provides quick and reliable results. The compact design makes it convenient to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.